Today, I'm sharing the bright, powerful magic sitting in your fruit bowl with 2 citrus fruits that can transform your magical practice. Hello, my darlings, and welcome to a thrifty witchcraft video. This is the series where I help you discover the magical properties of ordinary things you can find right in your own home or at any grocery store. Let's do some magical crafting. Lemons are absolute powerhouses for purification, protection, and breaking negative patterns. Their bright, acidic energy cuts through stagnant situations and clears away unwanted influences. Lemon cleanses on more than one level, working on the physical and the energetic at the same time. When you need to remove negative energy from your home, you can add fresh lemon juice to your cleaning water, and the natural oils in the peel are especially protective. Lemons are really good at breaking hexes, curses, and streaks of bad luck. Their sharp, bright energy disrupts negative patterns and creates space for positive change. You can use lemons to reverse harmful intentions that have been sent your way, sending that energy back to the source. They're also wonderful for breaking negative thought patterns or habits that no longer serve you. Oranges carry bright, uplifting energy that attracts abundance, joy, and success into your life. This citrus fruit removes negative energy while boosting confidence and creativity, which makes oranges a lovely fit for prosperity work or emotional healing. The vibrant orange color connects to solar energy, bringing warmth and vitality to your spells and rituals. Orange magic works particularly well for money spells, friendship magic, and any workings where you want to lift your spirits or boost your confidence. The fruit's natural sweetness draws in good fortune, while its bright color and cheerful scent helps shift your mindset toward abundance and possibility. These are just 2 of the 90 ordinary ingredients I explore in my book, A Witch's Guide to the Magical Properties of Ordinary Things. I wrote this magical crafting book specifically for thrifty witches and beginners who want to build a meaningful practice without breaking the bank. Every single ingredient can be found at your local grocery store, growing in your neighborhood, or sitting in your kitchen cupboards right now. The book includes creative and beginner-friendly suggestions for using these common materials in your personal practice. Both lemons and oranges are easy to find year-round in any grocery store. Fresh citrus fruits work beautifully for magical purposes, but you can also use bottled lemon juice or dried citrus peel from your spice rack when fresh isn't available. If you live in a warmer climate, you might even have citrus trees in your neighborhood where you can gather fallen fruit or ask neighbors for extras when they have more than they can use. Here's a simple kitchen cleansing spell using lemons that focuses on their powerful purification properties. Cut a fresh lemon in half and sprinkle coarse salt on the cut surface, or sprinkle salt on your counter. Then use the lemon half to scrub your kitchen counters and sinks, focusing on areas that feel energetically heavy or where arguments may have happened. The salt acts as an abrasive, while the lemon's acidic energy cuts through both physical grime and negative vibrations. As you scrub, visualize bright, clean energy clearing away any stagnant or negative energy from your home's heart. Rinse surfaces well with water to remove all lemon juice residue. When finished, you can run the used lemon half through your garbage disposal to freshen it with that same cleansing energy, or add it to your compost pile where it will continue working its magic by enriching the soil. It turns everyday cleaning into something that works for both your home and your spirit. For oranges, I'd love to focus on their joy and happiness enhancing properties. You can create an uplifting scent pouch by combining dried orange slices with cinnamon, mint, and some vanilla in a small fabric bag. To dry your orange slices, simply cut them into rounds and place them on a baking sheet in a low oven until they're completely dehydrated. Hang this aromatic pouch in a sunny window where the warmth will release the fragrant oils and sweet scents throughout the day. Together, the citrus, the cinnamon, the mint, and the vanilla lift the whole energy of a room. You can also carry a smaller version with you when you need an emotional boost, or place one near your workspace to maintain positive, creative energy throughout the day. Lemons also make a wonderful kitchen witch recipe that you can drink and share. Making intentional lemonade is a simple and satisfying way to bring the purifying and pattern-breaking energy of lemons into your body and your relationships. Start by making a simple syrup, which is just equal parts sugar and hot water, stirred together until the sugar dissolves completely. As you stir, focus on what you want to clear away and what you want to invite in. Let the syrup cool while you slice your lemons into rounds. Slicing the lemons rather than just juicing them lets the peel steep in the water along with the juice, and that peel carries protective energy that infuses beautifully as it sits. Add your lemon slices to a pitcher of cold water, pour in your cooled syrup, and let it chill for at least an hour. When you're ready to serve, tuck in a generous handful of fresh mint leaves. Mint brings its own gifts to this recipe, including clarity, healing, and a touch of prosperity energy that pairs beautifully with lemon's purifying brightness. Now, if you're a busy witch who does not have time to make lemonade from scratch, you can absolutely grab a bottle of pre-made lemonade from the store. Pour it over ice, add your lemon slices, and drop in a handful of fresh mint. And that's what I'm doing in this video. It works just as beautifully. The intention you bring is what matters. This lemonade's a lovely thing to share when you want to clear the air between people, invite fresh starts, or simply bring a little bright, clean energy into an ordinary afternoon. Oranges hold special significance during the Yuletide season, when their bright color and warming energy provide exactly what you need during the darkest time of the year. In many traditions, oranges symbolize the returning of the sun and the promise that light will triumph over darkness. Their golden color mirrors the solar energy that begins to strengthen after the winter solstice, making them a natural fit for your seasonal celebrations. You can create a beautiful Yuletide simmer pot by combining sliced oranges with cinnamon sticks, whole cloves, and a sprig of rosemary or two in a pot of simmering water. This fills your home with a sense of celebration while drawing in prosperity and joy for the coming year. The oranges carry solar energy in abundance, while the warming spices add protection and blessing to your seasonal magic. You can also brew oranges into a warming tea by steeping orange peel with black tea and a cinnamon stick. Let the brew steep for at least 10 minutes, and when it's ready, add a touch of honey. It's such a warming thing to sip on a cold winter day. Pour a cup and set your intentions for the year ahead, letting the orange's optimistic energy help you envision a bright and prosperous future. A Witch's Guide to the Magical Properties of Ordinary Things contains detailed information about lemons, oranges, and 88 other accessible ingredients, along with traditional uses, simple spells, magical recipes, and folk magic practices you can start using immediately. The book is designed to help you build a sustainable magical practice using ingredients that won't strain your budget or require special ordering. You'll find the link to get your copy in the description below, and I truly believe this book will transform how you think about the magical potential hiding in your everyday world. May your days be filled with the bright energy of sunshine and citrus, and may you always find magic in the most ordinary moments.